What's up, guys? Cack and Balls again here. Made a video about a 40X2 that I got. Basically, guy shipped it to me for free. We're going to go ahead and open it up today and take a look at it. It's still cold here, and yeah, so hopefully this goes pretty smoothly. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. I haven't taken anything apart yet. We're going to see what's going on with it. It has been opened before. Has not been opened by me, so we will see what the guts look like. Worst case scenario, this can be a guts video, if you want to call it that. So I need to come over here and get my parts tray. If you're ever messing with stuff, get one of these trays from like Harbor Freight, one of these little Pittsburgh magnetic trays. Works really good at holding all your screws and stuff in there. So if you see a little puff of something that looks like smoke every now and then, it's my breath. It's not me smoking, because it is still like 20-25 degrees here. Does not get any warmer in February in Illinois. Actually, the funny part is Illinois weather is actually 25 degrees today, and tomorrow it'll be 62. And then the day after that, it'll be 10. So, take this last screw out. I got one more on this side. One thing that I noticed is it looks like the gain controls are turned all the way up, which means that somebody probably ended up frying the damn thing. But hey, for 13 bucks, what are you going to do, right? I don't know if you guys saw the other video, the unboxing of this. There's also a Alpine EQ that was in there as well. It was all cut up and cable wise. So let's take a look. And for the big reveal, a little dusty on the inside here, which is weird. You can see somebody's had their fingers on it. It's not me. So amp guts. I don't really see anything obvious sticking out right now. Let me take my camera off of my tripod here. And we'll take a look at this. Move my light over. So, amp guts. This is a Rockford Fosgate Punch 40IX. I don't really... There's no burn marks or anything on the board that I can see. Then again, I'm also staring at a camera. So I'm kind of wondering if maybe it doesn't... Maybe it does work. I don't know. It's kind of weird. It actually looks like this may have been replaced at one point in time. It's hard to say. But yeah, look at this. Look at all the dust and crap all over the treble and bass control on it. Alright. Well, I'll hook it up to my test bench and take a look at it and see what's going on. Worst case scenario, I mean, the crossover card is there. You can always scavenge the parts off of this thing and use them. I don't know, somebody had a cat or what. I always get off tangent about talking about stuff. So anyways, I'll throw it on my test bench and see if I can get her to power on. Maybe she powers on, but it just is a bad channel or something. I don't know. But that'll about do it. So if you liked the video, great. If not, let me know like always. Telephone, telegraph, tell a friend, tell an enemy. So stay warm. Have a good one, guys.